Hi, I'm Becca with Free Tours by Foot, and today I want to talk to you about Paris and the free or name your own price walking tours you can enjoy while visiting France. Paris should be on every traveler's bucket list. It is the city of lights, it is beautiful, it has incredibly rich history, gorgeous architecture, amazing museums, and of course, some of the best food that you can find in the entire world. Paris is a city that is meant to get lost in and really meant to be explored by foot, so there is nothing better than a walking tour to really see Paris. Before we get started though, let's talk about what a free or name your own price walking tour is. This is a tour where the guide is working exclusively for what you pay at the end of the tour. There's no upfront booking fee, so the guide is really working for you. They're gonna work really hard, they're gonna be enthusiastic, they're gonna try to give you an incredible experience, because if you don't like the tour, you might not pay anything at the end. We find that this model is a really good fit for many travelers. You're going to see the best of a city and you're gonna have a local guide working very hard to make sure you have a good time. Of course, Free Tours by Foot offers our own name your own price walking tours in the United States, Europe, and Dubai, but we also offer free self-guided walking tours in many cities around the world in the form of free or inexpensive GPS-based audio tours. Be sure to check out the link in the description below to see our audio tours for Paris. We work with many tour guides and tour companies to offer you the very best name your own price tours in Paris. The tours that we're going to mention in this video can be booked on our website, so be sure to check out the link below to book your tour today. Walking tours in Paris can cover a wide range of neighborhoods and a lot of different topics, but the most popular tours will cover similar areas. Right Bank Landmarks Tour. The right bank of the Seine is where you will find many of the most famous landmarks in Paris. If you're looking to see the Louvre, the Arc de Triomphe, the Champs-Élysées, and have a great view of the Eiffel Tower, this is the perfect tour for you. Left Bank and Latin Quarter. The Latin Quarter is also known as the 5th arrondissement and got its nickname due to the Sorbonne University and the students who lived there studying Latin. This is the part of Paris where you can walk in Hemingway's footsteps, see Notre Dame, browse bookstores, and enjoy student cafes. Montmartre. The most romantic neighborhood in Paris, this is where artists of decades past once lived and found their inspiration. La Murée. This is currently one of the trendiest neighborhoods in Paris. You will see beautiful old townhouses blend together with boutiques and shops with all the latest fashions. This used to be the Jewish quarter in Paris, so it has incredibly rich history. Why should you choose a free or name your own price walking tour? We recommend these tours for travelers because it's a win-win for the guest and the guide. The guide is going to work very hard to give you a great experience, because if you don't like the tour, you might not pay anything at the end. For you, you're a traveler, you're going to get an enthusiastic local guide, and these tours are designed to fit a busy travel schedule. If you only have 2 or 3 hours to see a neighborhood or to see the landmarks, these tours are designed to show you the very best of the city and give you the best history and recommendations in a short amount of time. So we highly recommend these tours, especially if you're visiting a city like Paris. However, one word of caution about free or name your own price walking tours, especially in Paris. These tours are very, very popular. Lots of travelers book them, and in the busy tourist season, these tours can sell out, or they can have very, very large groups. This can be really difficult. It can mean crowded conditions. It can mean maybe not having as much time to talk to your guide, get recommendations, or ask questions. Free or name your own price tours are great, but if you're looking for a more personalized experience, or if you're traveling during that peak tourist time, you may want to consider a paid small group tour. These tours typically have smaller groups, a more customized itinerary, and in Paris, some of these prepaid tours include admission to sites that often have very, very long lines. If you want skip-the-line access to these popular sites, we recommend exploring the paid tour options on our website. We have shared the tours that are the best value for the cost. Another way to save money on both prepaid tours and admissions to some of Paris's most popular sites is with a tourist attraction discount pass. We go over both the all-inclusive Paris Pass and Turbo Pass in our blog link below, as well as some of the other pass and combo ticket options to help you save money. These passes can save you a lot of time and a lot of money, and so be sure to check out that blog post to see if it's right for your plans. Free walking tours with Free Tours by Foot can be found worldwide. Check out tours nearby in London or Amsterdam, or further abroad in Abu Dhabi or Nashville. Read all about our walking tours in Paris below and book a spot for your trip. But first, subscribe to our channel and check out our other videos for all your travel needs.